Lesson 6.2, Comparing and Ordering Fractions, Decimals, and Percents. Okay. So how can you order numbers that are written as fractions, decimals, and percents? So tell which number is greater. So we have to do the division for this. So 5 on the inside, 13 out here. That doesn't work, so let's add some zeros. Okay, so 13 goes into 50 3 times, and then so that's 39. We subtract that, so we get 11, bring down the 0. 13 goes into 110 8 times, and that is 104. We have 6 left over, bring down another 0. This is going to be 4, and then that's 52. Subtract that, we get 8, and it's just going to like keep going on. So I'm just going to stop here. So I have 0.384, and then I'm going to move the decimal place over twice, so I have 38.4%. So you tell me, is 45% greater than 38.4%? Pause. Yes, it is. So 48% is greater than 5/13, and that's what you want to write for that one. Okay, I'm going to erase it because it's just going to be too cluttered. Okay. Alright, and then here we have 30, but I'm going to make it a decimal. So 1, 2, so that's 0.3%, and then we have 0.4. So which one is greater? The 0.4. Okay. And then here, again, we have to do division. So this one is just like this one, so I'll just let you guys do that. Okay, which is greater? 3/20 or 16%. So we have 3 in here, and then 20 out here. So put a dot there, add some zeros. So 20 goes into 30 once, and then so that's going to be 20. That is going to be 10. Bring down that 0. It goes in there 5 times, and that's 100. So that's it. Okay, so 0.15 or 15%, and then we have 16%. So which one's greater? Obviously 16%. Okay, which is greater? So we're going to put 25 out here, 7 in here, put a dot there, 0. This is going to be 2 because that's 50. And then that's 20 left over. Bring down a 0. And that is 8 because 25 goes into 100 4 times. It goes into 200 8 times. So that's it. 0. So we have 0.28. Bring that over twice. So 28%, and then I have that 25%. Which one is greater? The 28%. AKA, we probably should write that 7/25 is greater, and you should do that with like these ones too. So, well, the 16% was already written like that, and then like this one's fine because this one was greater, and I forget what this one was, but actually I think this one was greater too. So, okay. Moving on. Oh wait, did we miss something on here? No. Okay. So, you, your sister, and a friend can take the same number of shots at a soccer goal. You make 72% of your shots. Your sister makes 19/25% of her shots, and your friend makes 0.67 of his shots. Who made the fewest shots? So I'm just going to go right with your friend and make that 67%. And you are 72, so your friend makes less than you, but we gotta see if this is less than both of you. So 19, put 25 out here, dot, add a 0. So this is gonna be 175 will work. Okay. So 175, that is gonna be 4 plus 3, so that is 7. This is 15, bring down a 0. That goes in there. 4 plus 2, 6 times. So that is 0.76, which is 76%. So it looks like your sister beats you, but your friend is the lowest, has the fewest shots. So your friend is the answer. Okay. You make 75% of your shots, your sister makes 13 over 20 of her shots, and your friend makes 0.7 of his shots. Who made the most? Okay, so you're 75%. Your friend is 0.7, which can be rewritten as 70%. So you are beating your friend. But let's see about let's see about your sister, yeah. So we have 20 and then 13, add it up, put a 0. That goes in there. 120, which would be 6. Okay, and then that's 10. Bring down this, that's 5. So your sister is 0.65 or 65%. So you made the most shots. You. Alright. The map shows the portions of the U.S. population that live in 5 states. List the 5 states in order by population from least to greatest. Okay, so Michigan is going to be 3%. New York is already listed as 6%. So I'm going to do Ohio. That's 25 and 1. So 1 second. 25 went into 10 0 times, but it goes into 100 4 times. That's 100, and that is 0. So this is going to be 4% for Ohio. So we have 3%, 4%, and 6% for New York. Here we have 50. Then we have our 1. It goes in 10 0 times, but it goes in 100 twice. So that is 2%. And then California is 12%. Okay, so list the 5 states in order from least to greatest. So least is going to be Washington with our 2%. So I'm just going to say W. Then we have Michigan, M. Then we have Ohio with the 4%. And then we have New York with the 6%. And California with the highest of 12%. So let me see if I got everything. We have Washington. We have Michigan. We have the 4% here, the 6% here, and then the 12% there. Okay. And that's all there is for this video. Have a wonderful day. Sorry this was probably up the whole time. Sorry. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.